everybody. If you're searching for a new side dish or you need to bring something to a gathering that won't put you over your macros but the guests will still enjoy eating, this next video is for you. It's a broccoli bacon potluck salad that's delicious. Check it out. Hi everybody, Sherry here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're first time here, please go ahead and subscribe. I do post a new keto-friendly recipe every Friday. Today I'm so excited. We're gonna make broccoli and bacon potluck salad that is so good. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is cut off the florets of 3 broccoli heads. Pull apart into small pieces and place them in a large bowl. The next thing we need to do is peel and slice 1 small red onion. Once you have them cut up, go ahead and add them to the broccoli bowl. The next thing you'll need is to crumble 8 to 10 slices of cooked bacon and add that to the bowl and give it a quick stir. Now you'll need a new bowl for the sauce. Add 1 cup mayonnaise. If you're doing strict keto, you'll need to make your own. Then add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and give that a little stir. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of your natural sweetener. Go ahead and stir a little, and then you'll want to pour that over top of your broccoli. And then you'll want to incorporate this really well. You want to get it evenly distributed over all the broccoli heads. Then you'll need to go ahead and cover that with some aluminum foil and put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I get a little bit of all the goodness. This is definitely one you're going to want to try, and your guests will have no idea it's low carb. So see you next time.